All right, guys, so I've been asked in the past, I'm a poet, I've been asked in the past about cable TV here, internet here, how much it costs, what do you get. Now up here in Angeles City area, we have what's called Converge. Yes, Converge is the cable company up here that's up here, Angeles City, Daewoo area. Now, of course, there's different packages you can get. Different packages cost different things. You can get regular, TV. You can get regular TV with HD channels. We have the top package. Aside from the internet, we get 160 channels. 140 of them are HD. And then the rest are regular cable TV channels. We pay 299 pesos. 299 pesos a month. We get 20 Mbps and 10 download speed. We get that. That's what we pay for. But do we actually get those speeds all the time? No. A lot of times it seems like all day long, in the morning, all day long, up to about 7 o'clock. Everything works pretty good. It works pretty strong when it comes to cable. Everything works pretty strong up to that point when it comes to internet. But it seems like from 7 o'clock up to 9 o'clock, for some reason, the internet kind of just dives off and goes real slow. I've called, I've talked to them about that, and their reasoning is more people are on it. I don't know. I also know on the weekends the internet slows down also. They say because more people are on it. But you know what, at 2,199 pesos, that's roughly 40, 50, $55, somewhere around there. You know what, you can't really complain too much. I know back in the States, I forget what we were paying, over $100, $150. So yeah, you can't really complain that much. But yeah, I guess you're wondering what channels do we get. Let me show you what kind of channels we get for 2,199 pesos. Like I said, they have other, let me look here quick, other internet packages. They have internet, which is 5 Mbps. They have internet for 10 Mbps, 20, which we get. They have a 50 Mbps, and they also have 100 Mbps. Now the channels, like I said, the channels we get, those are the max you can get. Like I said, you can get less channels, less bundles, but with the 100 Mbps, the max bundle, they call it, with the highest internet you can get without going to fiber optics, is 4,199 pesos. Now they also do offer fiber optics up here in Angeles City. I got to pronounce that right, Angeles City. I don't know how much it costs. I never checked into it. I do have some friends that do have it, and they say they like it and it works well. But anyways, let me go over the channels here with you, and let me show you the channels we get. A lot of the channels, especially the high definition channels, and even in the lower channels, the non-high definition channels, are the same channels you get back in the States. The thing is, here, commercials, they don't do a lot of product advertisement on the commercials. You're not going to see like hair products, insurances, all your, big commercials that you have on your TVs back in the United States. You don't have those commercials here. A lot of the commercials are just commercials advertising what's going to be on the channel upcoming, what's new in the channels. They just keep repeating and repeating and repeating themselves. So when you watch a TV show here, when it goes to commercials, you're going to see the same TV commercial over and over and over again, and it never changes. I think some of the TV commercials here are the same commercials I've been watching for the past year or so. Now you do get commercials sometimes for like Jollibee, like big food companies like that, you'll get those. And here's another thing. With TV here, back in the States, TV channels or TV shows start at like top of the hour, halfway through the hour. Here they start at weird times. I mean, you can get a TV show starting at like 5 after, 10 after, quarter after. They just kind of start at kind of like weird times here. So anyways, guys, like I said, let me show you some of the channels that we get here in Angeles City. Other places obviously have other channels, but I think they pretty much all have the same channels throughout the Philippines. So yeah, let me show you some of the channels we get here. All right, guys, so I'm going to start up here. This is the high definition channels here. This is Fox Sports 3. They have all sports. A lot of times you'll pick up a lot of football, as people call it. We call it soccer back in the States, but anyways, you have Fox Sports 3. Sometimes you pick up some NASCAR on here, but it's all sports. We have HBO. HBO is part of our package, HBO in high definition. This is Fox Family Movies. This is another one we get. The NBA in HD. NBA channel, it's all NBA. Now the NBA channel, this is a channel I think it's broadcasted out of the States, because a lot of times you'll get a lot of commercials from the States on here, but the NBA channel. Fox Movies, we get Fox Movies in HD. The National Geographic in HD, we get that. Nat Geo Wild in HD. And these are the same shows that they're, you know, from back in the States. These aren't Filipino shows. These are all shows from the States. Nat Geo People HD. I love watching the Nat Geo channel. Outdoor, the Outdoor channel in HD. Fox Crime. FX in HD. These are all the high definition channels. Baby TV, which I always skip over. Motor Vision is another good channel. Anything to do with motors, anything to do with automobiles and cars and all motor, anything to do with, great channel. HBO Hits. As one of the things about in the Philippines here, they do censor movies that have nudity in it. There is no nudity on any of the TV channels here. HBO Signature, HBO Family, Discovery Asia. Now I like this channel. I don't know if they have this back in the States or not, but excuse me, Discovery Asia. I watch this channel a lot. Anything and everything to do with Asia. One News. This here is local. It deals with and goes over a lot of news here in the Philippines, and it's all English. And also deals with a lot of other Asian news, but mostly a lot of it has to deal with the Philippines here. FYI, another channel. I love this channel, watch this channel a lot. Crime and Investigation, another great channel. History Channel, watch this channel quite a bit, and like I said, a lot of, you know, you see it. I mean, all the History Channel shows are on the History Channel here. Now, they might be a season or two behind, but you still get it. Blue Ant Entertainment. This is, I think, a new one. I just started watching this one. Blue Ant Entertainment. Another Blue Ant. fight sport in HD. This is a lot of MMA, on here. I would say mostly MMA every time I flip it on. Fox action movies, Cinemax, Red HD. I think this is Chinese. I think this is a Chinese channel. CNN. We even get fake news over here. And yes, this is the CNN, same one that's broadcasting fake news in the Philippines or in the United States. Same one. Warner TV. True TV. Comedy Central. Colors. Animal Planet. Hyper TV, another boxing, fighting, MMA type channel. Fashion TV, if you're into fashion. Kicks HD. I think this is another Chinese channel. Phoenix Chinese channel. NHK World. This is Hong Kong, I think another Japanese, Chinese type channel. Hits TV. I like Hits TV. They have they play a lot of the old TV channels. Like you see the nannies on there, like Wonder Years, Cheers. What else do they play on there? Like Golden Girls. Like those old TV shows on this channel. Hits channel it's called. PBA Rush, Philippine basketball channel. All they play is basketball. Eurosports, another sports channel. AMC, American Movie Classics. They play that here. MTV Live HD. Now that's a new one, MTV Live HD. Now all these channels here at HD are also on your lower channels. All right, so I guess somebody's going to probably ask, people are going to say, oh, what kind of TV do you got? We bought the TV when we got here. It's a 55-inch, and the name brand is called Skyworth. They said Skyworth is a local, or not local, but it's manufactured here in the Philippines. So that's what we went with. They do sell every name product here when it comes to TVs. Sony, LG, Skyworth, GE, Panasonic. They sell all those name brands here. They are expensive. The 55-inch, this one we bought, I think we paid right around like $550 to $600 US for it. And here's another thing you got to remember when you buy, if you're going to buy here in the Philippines, they try to sell, and they do have 4K. 4K is an awesome picture. It's a beautiful picture. The only thing is they don't broadcast channels here in 4K. So unless you say have a DVD and you're playing movies through a DVD, or if you're hooked up through your computer, your TV, and you're running, say, movies through your computer on your TV that are in 4K, I would not buy a 4K TV here. You're not going to get that 4K quality just with cable here. Now, maybe in Manila they might offer a 4K package plan, maybe Cebu, I don't know, but I know up here in Angeles City, they don't offer a package plan in 4K. So in my opinion, don't waste your money to buy a 4K, unless you want to say, oh yeah, I got a 4K, look at me. You'll never get use out of it. Like I said, unless you have a DVD, or say you're streaming something off your computer on your TV that is in 4K. But anyways, that's just my 2 cents on it. Like I said, people have been asking me, and they've asked me in the past, what do you get, what kind of cable, what kind of TV, how much does it cost? What do you get? What's your package plan? What are your TV shows? So anyways, I just figured I'd share it with you guys, and there it is. That's what we get, and that's what we pay. Like I said, 2,199 pesos a month. Can't complain too much about that.